In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove profile picture in Zoom Meeting App 2020. So first, if you go to Zoom, and then let's check on our profile, you could see that if we tap on profile photo, we have no option to remove our profile photo. So what we're gonna do is to go to our browser, and then let's type in zoom.us, and we want to request for the desktop site. Just tap the menu and then tap on request desktop site, and after that we want to sign in, and then let's sign in with our credentials here. And once you're signed in, you want to tap on your profile photo, and then tap on your name. It will bring you to your profile page, and then if you zoom in, you will see the option to delete your profile picture just below it. So if you tap delete, and then let's confirm this. So there, you have now removed your profile photo. And that is how you remove your profile photo in Zoom Meeting App 2020. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.